In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Discord. If you've been using Discord on a shared computer, want to switch accounts, or simply need a fresh start for the next session, logging out is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the process on the desktop app and in your web browser, since both look and behave almost the same. First, open Discord. You can launch the desktop app from your applications, or open Discord in your preferred browser by visiting the website and signing in. Once Discord is open and you're looking at your servers and chats, head to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area with your avatar and username. Right next to that is a small gear icon. That gear opens user settings, and it's the key to finding the logout option. Click the gear icon to enter user settings. You'll land on a page with a sidebar along the left that lists various sections like account settings, privacy, and app preferences. This is where many people get lost because there are lots of options. Don't worry, what you need is near the bottom of that sidebar. If you don't see it right away, scroll down to the very end of the list. At the very bottom of the sidebar, you'll find Log Out. Click that. Discord will prompt you to confirm, just to make sure you didn't click it by accident. Confirm that you want to log out, and Discord will immediately sign you out of your current session. After you log out, you'll be taken back to the login screen. On the desktop app, this means the app is still open but no longer tied to your account. In a browser, the tab will show the login page, and you'll be signed out in that browser session. If you use Discord in multiple browsers or devices, keep in mind that logging out here only affects the app or browser you're currently using. A couple of quick tips before you go. If you were in a voice call or streaming, logging out will disconnect you from those sessions, so wrap up any conversations first. If the window is very small and you can't see the gear icon, try maximizing the window so the bottom left profile area is visible. And when you're ready to sign back in, make sure you know your credentials and have any authentication methods handy if you've enabled extra security. That's it. Simple, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.